In this video, I'm going to show you how you can fix NCBA Bank app not working. If you are having any issue with your NCBA mobile bank app, be it NCBA Now, NCBA Kenya, or NCBA Uganda app, these steps should help you fix the problem. Some of the problem you might be encountering are maybe the app is not opening, or you can't navigate through, it hangs, you can't log in, or even the app keeps on crashing. To fix this, just look for your NCBA mobile banking app, long press on it to access its app info page. As you can see, app info option is here. If you don't see this on your phone, it will depend on your phone. You should see a settings gear next to it, or even the name of the app. Tap on any of this to access NCBA mobile banking app info page. First here, we want to clear the app data and more especially cache data. So if you go down here, you can see clear data option. And for this, choose clear cache and OK. At this point, restart your smartphone and open your app. And in most cases, this should fix your problem. However, if you can't, still go back to app info and this time round, clear all data by just tapping on this and confirm by OK. However, at this point, if you still have challenges, then look for any update from Google Play Store or App Store and find out if you have any update, and then update your app to the latest version. As you can see, I have here my NCBA Now Banking app from Google Play Store, and I don't have an update. So for your case, should you have an update, update it to get the latest features and version that is supported. In most cases, this should be okay. However, if you are experiencing issues of your app crashing, then it means your app might contain bugs, and for that you need to uninstall your app and then install it afresh. By doing so, now you have fixed any issues related to your app. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching and let's meet in the next video.